Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So what is actually Microsoft RAMMap and how does it work? How does this RAMMap help your computer to run much smoother and faster? So let me show you how much RAM do I have in this laptop. This is basically a laptop, so get into the task manager. Here in the task manager we have performance. In the performance tab, as you can see, we have GPU, disk and the memory on top. So as you can see, we have total 24 gig of RAM installed into this PC and 10.9 GB has been cached, so which is quite a big amount of RAM. So how to clear this cache? So let me quickly show you. So what we can do, we can just open your browser. So I'm gonna use my Microsoft Edge. So what we can do, so you can just type RAMMap, basically Google, and I prefer using Google, but right now we are using Bing. So here you can see Microsoft RAMMap. Actually it's from Microsoft. It's a tool from Microsoft, so always download tools from the original website, not from the third party. So we have RAMMap RAMMap, it's a 1.6 version. So here we have the download is actually not even 1 MB, it's supposed to be very quick even on the slower network. So when you click download RAMMap, it should be done. So here we can open the folder. So, and this is basically an extracted zipped file. So let's go back and I'm going to extract all these files to this folder. So here we have three options basically. This is the main application. So I'm going to run RAMMap. Takes a little bit time to read your RAM. Here is it. So what normally we do, empty standby list. You can choose this option, empty standby list, and let me just quickly put these two side by side just to show you how it works. Here we have this option empty on the top left corner. So normally we have to just use only this empty standby list. So if you choose this option, it will definitely clean this. So I just open this task manager just to show you that we are totally using 11.2 GB cache on this laptop, which is quite a big amount of RAM has been used by cached. So what we can do, I'm just gonna do empty standby list and let's see how much difference we can make here. Here as you can see, the cache is total 1 GB now and still climbing, but at least is much better than 11 GB. 11 GB was too much for this Windows, and that's how you make your computer much faster and clear your RAM. Thank you for watching tutorial videos. Please subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos.